Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how we reset the auto fold for rear view mirror of the Ford Ranger Raptor 2023. Okay, now if you want to make the side view mirror is folding automatically by press the remote key. Okay, you can do here by the middle screen. So first thing you need to press vehicle. Okay, and then you press setting. Okay, after that you scroll down and you see the mirror here, so press here. You can see auto fold here, so just enable it. Okay, now after that, when you press the key, when you press the remote key, lock both side view mirror will folding automatically. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thank you.